Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
I am from Samarth College of Computer Application, Himmatnagar. Now today we are looking about the internet and Google search and Google services. Now what is internet? Before we start any internet communication, we just require the internet.
Rasik Patel from CJ Patel BCA College, Visnagar. Now, internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected network using standardized communication protocol. Network means to sharing the data from one network, one devices to another devices by use of the number of protocol. Protocol means the set of rules for a specification.
Now there are three types of networks available, that is LAN, MAN and WAN. When the LAN means local area network, which is in locally provided, where the MAN is, that is a manipulation area network, which is provided in different city or different area, where the WAN is a all over world, means internationally, that is provided. Now through the internet or through the WAN we can use number of communication, that is through the internet. Now for the using a internet we require a web browser. Now the web browser are programs used to explore the internet. Now there are many web browser programs available like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, etc., where the Internet Explorer browser made by the Microsoft comes with the Windows operating system. Now next is what is search engine. Now the Google is the most popular search engine in the world and a multinational publicity traded organization built around the company's hugely popular search engine. Now through the Google search engine we can search online some of the topics like images, pictures, videos, etc. Now Google is a prototype of a large scale search engine which makes heavy use of structure present in hypertext. Now Google is designed to crawl and index the web efficiently and produce much more satisfying search result than existing system. Means using a Google search engine we can search online, means number of ways we have, number of answer we have through the Google search. Now it is a large scale search engine which addresses many of the problems of existing system. It makes especially heavy use of the additional structure present in hypertext to provide much higher quality search result. Means using the Google search engine we can solve our problem, different types of problem. It makes especially heavy additional structure, means it provides a number of information which is from the through the internet or through different sources. Now user can search for any information by writing what he or she is looking for in the search text box. Means indirectly using a search box text we can search number of information through the Google search engine. Now Google can view search information as a web pages, pictures, and there is a part for the map, YouTubes and news. Means using a Google search engine we can search through the web pages, pictures, then videos. Also we can search some of the information like text, PPT means PowerPoint presentation. Also we can search maps, YouTubes and news through the Google search engine. Now Google have its own email application called the Gmail. Now Gmail right now in the world there are number of persons use this email. what is the use of email?
Okay, email means to provide the electronic mail facility to transfer the data from one location to another location in the electronic format. The email, sometime writing as an email, is simply the sorted form of the electronic mail, a system for receiving and sending and storing the electronic mail. So now by use of the email to transferring the data from one location to another location in the forms of electronics, as well as is also provide the facilities about the store the number of data is sending inside of the sender or receiving inside of the receiver. Nowadays the number of confusion regarding how many is for creating the email account. Nowadays the maximum user to make email account without applying the number of rules and regulation regarding to creating the email. But nowadays here anyone user is going for to creating the email account, that time the minimum age is 18 years. Before 18 years you are not going for to creating any email accounts, especially for Gmails. Now the email is sometimes writing is now next. It has to gained nearly universal popularity around the world with the spread of the internet. In many cases, the email has become the preferred method for both personal and business communication. Means the email is used for a personal use as well as to as a purpose of the business. In a personal to transfer the data from one person to another person, and in the use of business to transferring the business data like use of the business communication. Now next. About the Gmail, for Gmail, user can create its own Gmail account on Google sites. Now at the time to require as well to creating a on or personal or business Gmail account, that time going inside of the Gmail, go for Google sites, and using the Gmail account, user can communicate to the other email holder of any mail account electronic. So now at the time to creating, then after to transfer the data from one user to another user, that time by inside of the Gmail account to transfer the data from any one account like Yahoo, Reddit, whatever in receiving side, to transfer data from the side of Gmail. Now next. Yes, now next one is how to create the accounts. Now it's explained by my colleague Sunil Patel.
Now, if we create a Gmail account, then first we have to go the www.gmail.com URL. Now here the URL means Uniform Resource Locator. Now that is a part of the URI, means Uniform Resource Identifiers. Now which is created in 1994 by the Tim Berners-Lee to access the data from the World Wide Web. Now to create an account, link from that page. Now after opening the Gmail page, we have to click on the link that is provided in the page, create an account. Then this will shows another page for create an account. Now using Gmail account, user can use different services of Google like drivers, docs, etc. Means if any user create its own Gmail account, then it is used a number of Google services like drivers, then docs, which is provided by the Google. Now through these services, the user can store some data on the Google site, use or create some documents, PPT, then also sheets in Google account. Now let we discuss in next topic, but over here how to create Gmail account. Let we see. Now first of all you have to go on the site, that is google.com. Now after that in signing page, then after you have to click on sign up link. Then it will shows a page that is with name, the first name you have to enter, then last name you have to enter. Then after you have to choose your username with specific character, that is a combination of character and numbers. Then after you have to create your password. The password is morely the strong password you have to create. that is a combination of character, numeric and special symbols. You have to after that confirm your password, then select the birth date, month, day and year. Then after you have to select gender, then you have to enter your mobile number. Then your current email address, if you have any current email address, then you have to enter on the text box. Then you have to click on prove you are not robot. Then you have to type a given number in the site. Both the number you have to write. Then select the location which you are used. Then click mark on I agree to Google. Then click on Google May. Then after you have to click the button next step. After that, if you want to add your photos, then it will enable to add your photos. Then if you want to not add your photo, then go to the next step. Then over here your account, Gmail account will be opened. Now using this one you can create your Gmail account. If you want to create your Gmail account, then at least your age will be the 18 years as per the rules. Now then how to Google works. Now Google consists of 3 discrete parts, each of which is runs on a distributed networks on thousands of low cost computer, and can therefore when we enter a query, means using a Google we can search. Then that's why that is a low cost computer, because of there is no need to high configuration on the in the computer, just only we need the internet connection. Now how the Google works. The first one, the carry out fast parallel processing. Parallel processing is a method of computation in which many calculations can be performed simultaneously, significantly speeding up the data processing. Means using a Google search we can process our data, or we can process our specific computation in fast. Then also we can process our data, that is simultaneously. Means if you want to process a number of process simultaneously, then the Google allow. Then the next is Google Bot, a web crawler that finds or fetches web pages, the indexer that sort every word on every page and store then the resulting index of a word in a Hug database. Means through the Google Bot it will give the indexed data. Means when we are finding some of the data on Google search, then it will gives number of results over there, and from that result it will gives the specific which we are find in through the indexing process. Means from the data, from the sources which is specific for us, which we are find, that is find out and give the first one. Now the third one is the query processor, which compares your search query to the index and recommended the documents that is considered most. Means after from the coming from the sources, it will check with the our data and index. If that is over here, it will gives the answer regarding our result. Means which one is the first of for better for our result, that is defined. Now see in this chart, that is work how to Google works. The first one, web server sends a query to the index server which gives the content inside the index server is similar to the index in the back of the book. It tells which pages contains the word that matches any particular query term. Now after that it will goes to the query traveler to the docs. Now servers which actually retrieve the stored document snips are generated to the describe each server result, that is in copyright format or not. Then after it will goes to the search result are returned to the user in fractional of second. Means this whole process means from the query to the Google web server, through the Google web server it will goes to the index server. Now after the index server it will goes to the doc server. Now from doc server it will back to the Google user, which are the find out any portion or any information from the Google. This all the process done in within a fractional of second, and it will gives a specific result to the user. Now the next is how to search on Google. Let me explain.
Okay, now at the time to require the animal data from side of the user, that time by user to search out something. So now the by Google to provide the search facilities, and now according to search facility, the Google is a search engine. So now how to search on Google? So now you can search on Google search engine by typing tags with a specific option like a web, books, video, images, etc. Means as per the requirement of the user, whatever data is to required for any one work. So now that time by user to enter something text in a Google search, and then after to by Google search to find out something data from side of the database, because of the n number of database is already stored in the Google server. By Google server to provide the requirement of data inside of the user. So now by user to entering the something text